Alright guys, we're here in Foshan, China. We're gonna be one of the biggest manufacturers here, and we're gonna see how they make t-shirts, hoodies, sweatpants, everything you guys can think about. We're gonna be here. Let's get it.
What up guys, it's your boy Suhail from Drip to Hard Manufacturing. I'm a manufacturer here in China. I own a factory. I manufacture for global streetwear brands, and I have been doing this for many years. I also design, I style. 2 months ago I was in New York for the World Cup, right? And 2 days prior to my departure from New York, I was Googling factories, and I wanted to know what factories are out there, what they do, you know, exchange knowledge, try to learn, you know, I'm always learning. And the first factory that came up was New York factory. So I was like, you know what, let me go and pay them a visit. And I randomly walked in. I was welcomed, the attitude, the service was amazing. They thought I was a client in the beginning. So we had a chit chat, and then I let them know that I'm in manufacturing in China, and they were like, oh my God, we've been looking for you. You're God sent. 2 months later.
Crazy thing is, 2 months ago, I had no idea I was gonna be coming here. These guys came from China all the way to New York to just visit me, see how they do things. And now we're here today to visit them. And literally, we're gonna make the craziest videos, the craziest clothes. My boy right here.
Hey, yo, what up, what up?
Yo,
What up, everybody?
Hi.
2 months later. Now, my guy is here.
This shit happen,
man,
bro.
this is amazing. We love to work with the best, and these guys are the best at what they're doing out there. So, you know, we're about to kill it. Let's do it together. Come on.
Do it, guys.
Now it's time to go to the factory. Let the guys
Let's get it, bro.
see what's up.
Let's get it. All the yarn for the machines they use. They use a lot of different machines. It's good to see things, how they do it in a different world, and just learn. That's the thing. We're here to learn. We're here to have fun. You know, let's go.
How do you feel about being here in China first? And how you feel about being in our factory second? How does it feel? Because it's quite unreal, right? Like, just yesterday you were like, just 2 days ago you were in New York. Just 2 months ago we met in New York for the very first time just from Google. And like 2 months later, like here we are right now at this moment. Ain't that incredible?
Incredible, guys. Crazy to be in China.
Crazy.
I don't think anybody really goes to China. I mean, you gotta be really lucky to go to China at the time.
I know.
Think about it. I met this guy, great guy here.
Oh, man,
guys,
appreciate
he's
it.
honestly one of the most hardworking, honest, good people I met. Just for a short time,
Appreciate
he's one of
it,
the
man.
best people I know.
Appreciate it. All right, what up, everybody? It's good to see you today. We're here at the new place. We're moving the factory, moving to, like, we're expanding this year, God willing. So, as you guys can see, we took 4 floors in here in chassis. We're moving from Foshan to chassis, and we started the decoration and the construction 2 weeks ago. You know. I mean, we've been planning for this for many months, and now finally we're making it happen. So hopefully before the end of this year, we're gonna be moving here. So yeah, looking forward to it, man. It's exciting. I mean, to see the progress, how far we're going. Just few years, like how we expanding and getting better and better. Thanks to you guys, thanks to your support, your trust, to all the clients. It wouldn't be possible without your support, without y'all. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
making bags or packing bags? These look like the shipping
It
bags.
seals. Maybe it seals. It seals.
Why would you need to see it?
You see?
Uh-huh.
You see this? Like it will all finish and come down from here, let's say. But it's not fully built yet. We're just waiting for other.
Yeah, so this is the 6th floor, and this is gonna be our storage place, fulfillment center, kinda. This is where like we pack and we will like store or send directly to the client. So now we have a specific floor just for this. It helps with efficiency, it helps with tracking the packages and all that. So, you know, for the better. We're so happy. This is a lifesaver. This is a lifesaver. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but you know. Now this way, every floor, every step is efficiently done, and you know, it helps also with the tracking, the QC, and all that. So now we have just 2,400 square meters actually, just for this. I'm so happy about that. Yeah. Alright, so what's up? We at the embroidery factory. We brought the guys here to see how we do it, and you know, they're impressed, and they never seen something like this in their life, so it feels good.
Oh, this is the one they're doing. We'll take our clients to the embroidery factory. It's definitely mind-blowing for them. A lot of machines. We have over 55 embroidery machines on here. And on each of it, we have 25 individual with 32 heads. That's crazy. You will not see something like that easily out there.
You guys do it crazy, bro. You guys are crazy. But it's the quantity is everything here, bro. Holy shit. Look at that.
So guys, this is the newest Japanese embroidery machine. You can see very cool and detailed. Let me show you guys the difference of the embroidery. You see how tight of each stitch is connected, and you barely can see the gap in the middle. And even the letters are so small, it can see clearly as well. Very elegant, very tight. So cool. But I mean, price is also cool. Really, this is very different. Wow.
We're at the printing factory right now with the guys. They're impressed. They're impressed. Next up, they are the biggest in the world. Think about it. How's that? Alright, or what? I like the anchor.
The finish list.
Spider-Man, baby.
就是做这衣服就是这
The
个嘛。
finish hoodie.
这不是迪士尼的一些东西
Oh, I have it.
迪士尼的我们也打了很多。
对，因为这些都是那个迪士尼的 characters。
它是联名，
对，联名对，
联名款。
联名款。This is a collab collection.
Yeah.
They're doing with Marvel and yeah,
And college? These college?
Toy Story. And all that.
Football.
The Kansas City.
This is dope.
This is like the NFL.
Yeah,
the
the
NFL
NFL
team with Marvel, still Marvel.
Marvel
Right?
and
With the
cotton.
distressing is fire.
Drip Too Hard, baby. Drip Too Hard Manufacturing.
No,
NYC Factory. NFC Factory.
What is it? Oh, the signature.
Yeah, the Toy Story. Okay, I'm having
What
one.
football one is this? No football?
No, this is not a foot. It's only that, the
Massive,
NFL.
bro.
This is like more for the Raiders too.
Yeah, I don't know why this time they have this big.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
City.
洗了之后
And they
怎么
need it like this. It has to be like cracked like this. If it's not cracked like this, they don't want it.
嗯，
So this is like the
就是
嗯 Here
阴了再洗，一定要把它洗烂才可以。
Marvel with Kith.
Is this from Kit too?
Yeah, it's Kith with Marvel
Kith
collab.
is-
They haven't
version.
they have a collab, but it's not dropping it yet. You'll
这个
see
洗
maybe
浴场
in
到
2
时候推
months.
给我一下。
With Marvel?
我可以帮你问就在丰
And
波
this already has
隔壁
like they're
哦
already
就
been done.
是不是
Show
那
this to you guys.
红
Yeah,
什么红啊？
德宏啊，
No, it's hoodie.
叫什么红啊？
Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah,
Oh, this is a whole collection.
yeah, it's a whole collection. Yeah, 10.
I swear to God. I found a secret plug. No one's gonna share this information of all screen print in the world. Kid Super goes here.